All right, here we go. Thursday morning, time to get going. We're ready to go. 6 a.m., big day on tap. Why? 11+% of the S&P is reporting earnings today. That's why. A lot of reports coming out. Names like Caterpillar, names like Merck, Amazon after the close. We had Apple and Facebook report last night. They crushed their earnings. Markets are up big heading into the open. Dow up 150 plus. NASDAQ, a big 1% move to the upside. Seeing some strength, some real momentum off of these earnings. So another big day on tap today. Yesterday, had the FOMC meeting wrap up. It was a 2-day meeting. Fed came out yesterday. No change to rates. No change to their bond buying program. Seeing the dollar get crushed as a result. Euro broke that 1.21 level, trading higher again this morning. Look at the dollar CAD, that Canadian dollar, at a multi-year low at 1.23. So some big moves in the currency market. Bounce over to oil. Oil pressing up against $65 a barrel in WTI. Now today we have GDP coming out. Like I said, we had those earnings reports. We had the news coming out late last night with President Biden and his speech before Congress in his first 100 days. That's given the markets a bit of a boost. So there should be ample amount of price action today to get in there and trade. Seeing that volatility creep back into the market. Let's get in there. Let's get after it. Let's finish this week strong. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.